Are you able to see me? Do comment below, please, because I just restarted on this live. So I hope people will be able to see me and catch up with me. Please tell me if I'm live and if I'm audible and visible. Okay, so we'll start where we left. Okay, so we were supposed to solve 78 times 11, right? Now let me share the screen. I hope this time it will work. Are you able to see me? Are you able to see the screen? I've shared my screen. Are you able to see the screen? Can you see? I've written the sum 78 times 11. Okay, so let's start by solving it. What we learned, when we are multiplying any digit with 11, we have to first split the digit. So let us split it. So we write 7 here. We write 8 here, right? Now, when we add 7 with 8, it gives us how much? It gives us 15. So we cannot just write 15 here because that would be the answer. So 1 with 7, which gives answer 8, 5, and 1 with 8. So the answer is 858. Easy. Did you guys see this? Did you understand how I did it, or should I do it again? Let me do it once more. So what you do is take 78 and you just split the digit. You write 8 here on the right, you write 7 on the left, and simply add 7 plus 8, which gives us 15. Just write here 15 in bracket if possible. And there's the second step where you just add. So you have to write 8 here, you have to write 5, and you have to add 7 with 1, okay, which gives us 8. So it gives us how much? 858, and that's the answer. Do you understand? Do you understand, guys? It's a little bit advanced. We can take it slowly if you stay. But do tell me, did you understand? It's a thumbs up or it's a thumbs down? So people who understood, just put a thumbs up or yes. And people who want me to explain again, just put a thumbs down or maybe explain. Just comment, explain, and I'll say that. I'll explain it to you again. Okay, so I've got a thumbs up from Vishaka Singh, from Rohit Raj Sonwane, from Meenakshi Mishra. Okay. So, guess I'm a nice teacher. Okay, guys, I'm a little bit bubbly, so please bear with me. But I'm having very much fun with you. Like all the panic which I had just before going live, it's all vanished like this. This is how Vedic maths vanishes your math fears. So you better know it and you should enroll. Okay, it's a life trick. Just say. But let's do more. Let's enjoy. Since it's a Friday, it's time to enjoy. Let's do some more sums. Okay. And let's take another sum. And this time you have to solve it. Since most of the people gave me a thumbs up, so I'm assuming that you guys have understood how you have to do it. So I'll give you one sum and I want you to solve it and comment. Okay, I'll just give this. I'll share my screen. And let me give easy sum only. 97 into 11. The sum is 97 into 11. 97 into 11. Please do it the way I just explain, not with using your calculators. I'll be knowing if you use your phone and calculator. So you better not do that. Do it mentally. I'm waiting. Okay. The sum is 7 multiplied with 11. 2 easy steps and the answer is there. Let's see. Let's start with the answers. I've got a few answers though. Okay. First, explain the sum, give you the answer, and then we'll check with the answers people have commented. I've got some of the comments. So first, let me solve it for you, and then we'll start with the people who have answered it correctly. Okay, so very easy step. First, what we have to do, you have to split the digit. So we put 9 on the left, 7 on the right. And how much does 9 and 7 add up to? It adds up to 16. Yes. Now, the second step is, all we have to do is add 1 to 9, which gives us 10. Then we have 6, and then we have 7. Easy. 1067. That's the answer. Now, let's see who have given the correct answer. It's Vishaka Singh, Meenakshi Mishra, Raj, Shivani Vyas, and Sujata Singh. Wow. Good. See? We all learned it. It's so easy. We learned maths in a very simple way. We did it mentally, and it was fun, isn't it? It's not boring like in school where you have to sit down, you have to nag and write the sum. Nothing like that. It's easy. It's interesting, and it's less time consuming. It hardly takes about 4 seconds or 5 seconds. That's very cool. Like, I really enjoy doing Vedic math, and this is something, like it's a 5G world. Nobody wants to go slow and slow. And when you have something that almost everybody is fear of, like maths is a subject people love to hate, as I have found. So Vedic maths, what it does, it acts as a barrier from taking that fear to enjoying maths. So easy. Now let us do the multiplication with a 3-digit number, a step higher. So first, I have to teach you that how it is done. I'll just show you. I'll not teach you. I'll just show you how it's done. Oh, sorry. I think the lifetime is up. Oh, I wanted to with you. Okay, I'll just show you the sum. I'll give you one more sum. We'll just do it and we'll quickly wrap up because it's a Friday. I won't take much of your time. But since this is fun, it's understandable. I know everybody of you are enjoying it. So please, let's just do it. Okay, I'm enjoying it, and I'm really finding it so fascinating. But all my fear has gone, and I'm really enjoying it. Let's do one more sum at 3-digit numbers. Okay. Let's take a digit 2, 7, and 3. 273 times 11. Now, this sum, it has 2 steps, but you have to keep one thing in mind. First, what you'll do, you'll write 0 on your extreme left and 0 on your extreme right. Okay? Then in between, you write 2, you write 7, you write 3. Now, what you have to do, you just need to start adding on from your right to your left. So 0 plus 3 gives us how much? 3. So you have to write 3. 3 plus 7 gives you how much? 10. Now, since it's a 2-digit number, keep the 1, that is the tens place digit, in hand as a carryover, and the units place digit number you just write here. So 10, so 0 you write here, and 1 goes as a carryover. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So the carryover gets added to the number on the left. So 2 is here on the left and the carryover is 1. So you write, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Now you have to add 3, this digit with the 1 on the right. So 3 plus 7 gives you how much? Again, it's a 10. So you write 0 and again we have a carryover. Now 2 plus 0 is how much? It's 2. And then there's a, no. Oh God, even I got confused. See, this is why we need Vedic maths. When I'm getting confused now. Wait. Let's take a 2-minute, 2-second thought process and then let's do. Okay, no, I'm going on the right track. So it's, okay, wait, let me do it again. I'm sorry, I got you all confused. Let me do it again. Let me do it again so that okay, so sorry, I got confused. Let's start afresh. So how to multiply 3-digit number with 11? First, we have to write 0 on the extreme left and 0 on the extreme right. Then we have to write 2. Then we have to write 7 and then we write 3. Okay. Now simply start adding from extreme right to your extreme left. So 0 plus 3 is 3. So we write here 3. 3 plus 7 is how much? It gives us 10. Now 10, you know that in the units place it's 0 and on the tens place is 10. The digit 10 has a 0 in the unit place and in the tens place it's 1. So 1 goes as a carryover. The tens place digit will always go as the carryover. So 1 is carryover and we write here 0. Then what we have to do? We have to add 2 and 7. But also remember you have the carryover. So 2 plus 7 is 9 plus 1 carryover which gives us 10 again. So 1 goes in the carryover. We write here 0. Now what do you have? 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is how much? 2. And then the carryover 1 which gives us 3. And that's your answer. This is a little tough, but I'm sure all your genius minds will be able to crack this. Do comment if you are able to understand what I showed you. Did you understand the 3-digit calculation? Do comment if you're able to understand. And if not, then I'll explain it again in a very slow way. Okay, I've got a yes from Vishaka Singh. Any more yes? Or if you want me to explain again, just write once more. And I'll be explaining it again in a very slow manner so that people are able to understand. Okay, I've got a yes from Tamal Das. Okay, you guys are really good. You know, if someone like me explained to myself, I would have got confused. Okay, I've got one more from Shivani Vas. Okay, I will be doing one more example. Okay, let's do one more example. Okay, let's clean the board. Now let us take the digit 542 times 11. So we write here 542 into 11. So just need to clean the board. Okay. Now what we have to do in case of 3-digit multiplication, we have to write 0 on the extreme left and one more 0 on the extreme right. And then we have to just simply put down the digits here, 5, 4, 2. Now what we do, we start adding them, right? So 0 plus 2 gives us how much? 2. So we write here 2. 2 plus 2 gives us how much? 6. So we write here 6. Now 4 plus 5 gives us how much? Gives us 9. So we write 9. Now 5 plus 0 gives us how much? 5. So we write 5. And that's the answer. 5962. In the sum, there is no carryover because the digits, they added up to single numbers. In case there was a digit which added up to double number, we had to just take the carryover of the 10th digit number and add it to the next number, to the successor number. But did you understand this example? Please comment if you understood this example. Okay, so people are also answering. I'm so glad that people have started answering before me as well. Okay, so Shivani Vyas, Sujata Singh, and Meenakshi Mishra. Did you understand? Because I showed this the second time. Please tell me if you did understand, or should I explain again? Okay, so Sujata Singh, she has cracked the answer. Very good, Sujata. Yes, Shivani, she also cracked. Were you able to solve it, Shivani? Yes, Sujata, this method is really great. I'm telling you like 1,000 times. This is like a boon. Like what we used to learn in school is multiply using the traditional method takes so much time. But here it's so easy because children they get scared when they are bigger numbers and they are not able to do because there might be a calculation mistake or they might do something careless mistake and that's why they are scared of it. But Vedic maths, what it does, it you know it makes the sum so easy and it solves it in such a effortless way that you won't be fearful of maths. You'll be like, okay, so this is how it's done, and you'll enjoy doing it. Like I am enjoying doing it. Wasn't it super fun? I really enjoyed the session, and I am also appalled by the amazing audience that I got. Like everybody, they were solving the sums with me. They were interacting with me. Thank you so much for being with me, for joining the live. It was super fun to host this live session for you all. So it's time for me to go. I really don't want to. Yes, true, Sujata. It does exercise our brain because all this is done mentally. I did not use any pen and paper, and I'm sure that none of you also used any pen or paper. It's just done mentally. It's very easy, very less time consuming, and super fun and super quick. It's cool and it's perfect for everyone who does not have time. Like from children of smaller ages to people cracking competitive exams, it is suitable for all. So Vedic math is a gift of modern India. So I'll be ending the live here. It was super fun hosting live for you guys. I enjoyed it very much. Thank you so much for being such a warm audience, for interacting with me, for giving me a chance, even with all those technicalities, with all those internet issues. And we will meet very time soon. But for now, I need to bid farewell to you guys. So we'll see you again next time. Bye bye. Have a fun weekend. Enjoy.